What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be going over one of the most talked about releases from Milwaukee Tool during their pipeline event for 2020. A lot of you hit us in the DMs, private messaged us, asked us to please get this tool offering in because you wanted to know what we thought of it. You wanted our feedback. Here's the thing, we have the new offering here, and my question is, Milwaukee Tool, what were you thinking? No, really. When you had the R&D department come up with this or come up with a list of specs, my question is, how did you land on these specs? I don't know what someone was thinking, but I kind of feel like the ball was dropped. But maybe once we get it unboxed and put it to the test, maybe that'll change. I don't know, and neither do you, because you haven't watched the whole video yet. But by the end, you will know what we think fully about this new tool offering. It's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store where you can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts, tech shirts, stickers. Link will be down below. This is Milwaukee's Rover M12 service and repair floodlight with USB charging. I like that you can use this as a USB charging port in addition to a light. But you know what they say, when something does too many things, it never does one thing just really good. It's product number 2367-20. You can see here it has two modes. With an XC 4.0 on its highest setting, you will get 700 lumens and a runtime of 8 hours. On low, you will get 250 lumens. It will run a full 24 hours. These are pretty exceptional runtimes in my opinion. The lumen output is what it is. You'll see here 700 lumens. You have a 110-degree pivot left and right. So this head will pivot left and right. We'll show you. It allows for USB charging electronic devices at 2.1 amps. So it's a Type B connector. You'll see it has a 5-year tool warranty, and the LEDs have a limited lifetime warranty as well. It says grip it, stick it, pivot. You'll see here it comes with the True View high definition output. It's a whiter light than other LEDs. It's impact resistant, and it is also IP54 water and dust resistant. So everybody that's been here for a while knows that I love a good magnet. So what we have here is a piece of steel, or angle iron, whatever you want to call it. Let's test out these magnets. Whoa! Even through the package, that magnet's working. This thing is like pretty much handheld, and it sits on the base of the 4 amp hour battery. So why do I care if this pivots when the whole unit pivots? Here's the deal. This is the reason why you wanted to pivot. You're going to stick your rover light onto a piece of metal. Now you're able to pivot the lights in the direction that you need. That's pretty cool. I like that. I was a little hasty at first. What you can see here is we have an indicator that turns on our light and is our mode switch, as well as it tells us how much of a charge we have here. You can see we have 2 bars on this 4 amp hour battery. Now, you'll see that at the top of the tool, we have a little cutout here. You'll see USB. We could pop this off. We have that Type B connector or Type A connector, whatever. It would be the end that you'd plug into a computer or like a MacBook, okay? For all you normal people out there like me, Type A, Type B, where's Type C? LMNOP. Listen, this is the type that goes into the computer, okay? I would put, this is the computer end type. That's what you can plug into here, okay? See that? For all us normal people, and then you have your plug end. This is a lightning cable. At least I know that much. We're gonna plug it into our Apple iPhone. What we'll do is we'll push this button. It will enable our USB port. Boom! And it comes on, look, you'll see it's 91% charged. It is now charging. This charging port is at 2.1 amps. A lot of you have a gripe. When using devices that require USB Type-C, the amperage is too low. And here's the deal. What we have is we have a 3.0 or 3.1 cable here. It's a B adapter to C adapter. I think. Let's plug it in. And here's the deal. When equipped with the right cable and the right charger, devices like this Google Pixel, when you plug it into the right charger, Type-C charger, you will get a notification that it is indeed charging. You'll see it says 95%. It says charging, but it does not say fast charging. So you're getting a standard rate of charging for things like Android devices that could take advantage of USB Type-C, and they would rapidly charge, but not with this Rover Light. Yes, it does a whole bunch of things, or at least 2 things. Provides light, and it could charge some devices. But does it do either exceptionally well? And I know what you're thinking. That, yes, like it is a great light. We're talking about 700 lumens of true view light. We're looking bare tool, 59 bucks is what we're finding this at. Here's the thing. We have multiple modes for brightness, 700 and 250 lumens. I mean, it does a pretty good job. I mean, I guess you could mount this under a vehicle. You could mount this up on Unistrut, some I-beam. I mean, you could use this in a lot of places. And here's my thing. This is a floodlight. So they're giving you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 LEDs on here. There's 16, and it gives you more of a wider light, a floodlight. But 700 lumens on high? I mean, literally, I have something in my pocket that can be a spotlight or a floodlight. It's USB rechargeable. Look at it. It's thinner. It's roughly the same height, though. But think about it. All right, this doesn't have any magnets on it, but it does have a belt clip. It's more portable. This provides 1,100 lumens from a single LED. Albeit that LED is bigger, but I don't understand. Out of 16 LEDs and the M12 battery platform, you've only gotten 700 lumens? And this little flashlight from this little red lithium cell, this provides 1,100. This provides 1,100 lumens. I don't understand what Milwaukee Tool was thinking. I don't. I feel like they fell a little short on the lumens, and I think that they've fallen a little short on the USB charging. This is the thing. Is Milwaukee beginning to believe that they can get by with being just okay? They don't want to give you anything that's too great because they, God forbid, they might miss an opportunity to market the Gen 2 version of this down the road that has 1,100 lumens, or it has 3.0 amps for charging. I mean, is that what it is? Are they afraid that they might make this one too future-proof? But they have this that already provides 1,100 lumens out of one LED. They literally could have provided a USB Type-C port on here to give you better charging. But I don't know. Do they think that resting on their laurels is a good strategy? I don't, and if you don't, make sure you smash the like button. Also, leave it down below. Do you think I'm being too critical of Milwaukee Tool on this one? I just want them to be excellent. We all spend our hard-earned money on the tools. And this is the thing. They have the ability to do it. Why are they not? Some of these things, like USB Type-C, they're literally industry standards at this point. Why does Milwaukee Tool fall so behind with the USB charging on all of their devices? I must be missing something. Leave it down below. We want to know. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Yo, I'm going to tell you right now, love this. This is not bad, but I don't love this as much as I love this. Just don't. The magnet's strong as hell, though. Yo, plus it has a little, right here, You can see there's a piece of, there's a key mod, okay? You could hang a screw on the wall. If there's no metal around, you can hang your light on this key mod.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.